Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Danielle. Today I am going to be testing out the Curls Unleashed temporary hair wax in the color Gold Leaf. I'm really excited to try it out. I have wanted to dye my hair blonde for so long, but I've been really nervous to do it. I'm worried about damaging my hair or breaking my hair. I know that has happened to me in the past. I was in college at the time, so I was young and didn't know as much about taking care of my hair. Today we're going to start by washing and deep conditioning. I'm going to try this Cantu, the Grapeseed line strengthening deep mask. I don't know if you guys have ever tried this one before. This is my first time, so I'll have two new products to try out for the first time today. If you have tried this out, leave a comment, tell me how it worked for you. I love the Cantu line, so I'm excited to try this new one out as well, and we'll be back with clean condition. I did want to take a second to shout out Three Bridges Apparel. Love peace and culture. It's where I got my shirt. They are based out of Chattanooga and they support local Black artists. They've got some really dope shirts, really dope pants. Hit up the website. The link is below. Check them out. Hey guys, I'm back. I have washed and deep conditioned my hair. Now I'm going to go through with a little bit of the Cantu Argan Oil Leave-In Conditioning Cream. I wanted to add a base layer of moisturizer before going to the next step. Next, I'm going to go in with a little bit of the Cantu Curl Activator Cream. I just want to make sure my curls are nice and defined before I add the wax to them. The last step I want to do before I add the wax to my hair is just to take a t-shirt and try and get out any excess product. I just want to make sure that my hair's not too heavy because I know the wax is going to add a little bit of weight to it as well. All right, now it's time to add the wax. I'm going to start by just sectioning off my hair. I'll start from the bottom and work my way to the top. I am not sure what I anticipated this to look like once I took the top off, but this definitely was not what I was anticipating. Now, the instructions do say to use gloves, but who needs gloves? We got this. All right, I have made my way to the top now. It really didn't take long at all. I'm just going back and adding a little bit more to kind of my roots, my base, the front of my hair, just to make sure I covered everything. Hey guys, I'm back and this is my final look. This was a really fun way to switch up my hair color without the commitment of dyeing my hair. I've always been nervous about it. I'm always worried about breaking my hair, but now this is a really cool way to not have to worry about that. I'm gonna see how it goes. I usually wash my hair once a week and it says that it'll come out the next time you wash it. Hopefully it'll last that long. I plan to make a follow-up video and just see how much it's faded or if it's rubbing on my clothes, if it's rubbing on my pillow. I want to follow up and let you guys know. When I was blow drying it, I did notice I had some places where I got it on my face a little bit, but I just took a little baby oil and it wiped it right off. It was really easy to get off. If you guys have tried the hair waxes, let me know how it went for you. Let me know what brands you used, what colors you used, because I really want to try some more different colors and just see, I don't know, what's my best look? What do I like the most? Or would I rather just have my hair my regular color? I don't know, but this was a really fun way to get away from that. If you got any comments, any suggestions, leave them below. Thank you guys, and we'll see you soon.